Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be reviewing the Nuna Sena Aire Playard. This Playard has advanced design to maximize airflow while your child uses it. Here's what's included in the box. The portable crib itself, which has a sturdy aluminum frame, a triple layer mesh mattress, a bassinet insert, an organic cotton sheet, and a travel bag. The main Playard fabric itself comes in black, but you can get the bassinet fabric in a few different colors, black, gray, or blue. This Playard has a chic design to fit any room. It's a little heavy, about 22 pounds, but its simple fold makes storing it easy. To fold the Nuna Sena Aire, start by taking the mattress out and setting it aside. With this Playard, you can leave the bassinet insert in. Next, pull up on the tab in the center. Push the sides together to make it compact. You'll notice that it has sturdy skid-proof feet, so it stands when folded and it's easy to store upright. To unfold it, just push down in the center until it expands all the way. Once your baby is rolling over or standing up on their own, it's time to take out the bassinet insert. To do this, lift the edges of the fabric and undo the clips on each side of the frame. Now you can put the mattress on the bottom. If you ever need to wash the mattress, just unzip the cover, take the boards out, and set them aside. Now you can throw the cover in the washing machine. It's dryer safe as well. If you want, there's a diaper changing insert that you can purchase separately. It attaches to the top of the Playard and gives easy access for diaper changes. Something to note is that the Nuna Sena Aire comes in a mini size too, so you can put it right by your bed, and it's great if you have a newborn. We love the Nuna Sena Aire and we recommend it for any parent who's in search of a portable crib. Thanks for watching. You can shop this product or any other product you see on babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $25 or more. If you want to see another one of our favorite Playards, you can click on this video. Like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see next time.